The US labour market shows signs of broader weakness beyond temporary factors like strikes and hurricanes, according to ING. They looked at the latest jobs data and saw that 29 states saw job declines, signalling a broader slowdown than the initial explanation for the weaker jobs out of last month's non-farm payroll. So adjusting for temporary disruptions, according to ING, true payroll growth in November is expected to remain weak, and that combined with downward payroll revisions for prior months confirms cooling jobs market in the US. So this may align with the Fed's data-driven approach, increasing the likelihood of a rate cut in December if we see a weak non-farm payroll print on this Friday. So if we see a big surprise on release for the NFP to the downside, below market expectations, watch for dollar selling. And that could give the euro dollar a little bit of upside. So this is where Seasonax is so helpful, because as an event feature, you can see here, we're looking at the non-farm payroll, we're looking at the events over the last 5 years. And what you can see is the maximum gain of this pattern over the non-farm payroll print has been 1.24%. That was August the 2nd. You can see here 1.24%. Let me just have a little look where this was. August the 2nd of this year. So the key thing to note is that the gains that we've had, November 2020, look at 0.41%, and the 6th of March in 2020, you can see here 8.89%, have been, two of these three gains have been this year. So there was a bit of a recency bias. So if we see a big miss in the data, it's not unreasonable to expect upside of around 0.5 percentage point in the euro dollar pair. So you see this way, Seasonax helps you to put together a picture of what an objective target might be for a surprise non-farm payroll miss. So you can see ahead of big data points what intraday trends may be ahead. Technically, the time of making this video, you can see you've got big resistance up at that 650 and around the 830, 800 level, just corresponding with this potential trend line that you've got here on the weekly chart. So there's some pretty big levels to note, massive support down at parity. So remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it, sign up here at Seasonax where you can get access to literally thousands more seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed. The main risk from this seasonal pattern, of course, is that there's no guarantee that these patterns will repeat themselves each time. And even if we do see a big surprise in the data, there's no guarantee we're going to get exactly what we've got in the past. So all outlooks have risks, and of course, this is no exception.